Oh, the windows are awesome. They blocked out most of the sound from outside, and also because of the argon gas that's inside of them, it causes it keeps in what's in and keeps out what's out. So that's awesome. I really appreciate that. The installation crew, they are awesome, 100% awesome. They are clean, they are professional, and that's what makes paradise paradise. Oh yes, I would recommend you guys to the world. They clean up right after themselves. There wasn't much for me to clean up when they were finished. They do an excellent job. Paradise exterior is the best in the world.